Leasing agents, realtors, I'm about to give you some information. It's going to totally change your life. It's going to make things so much easier for you. You're going to make a lot more money. I guarantee you with 100% certainty that you're messing this up. You've messed it up. This has cost you money. This has cost you commissions. This has cost you deals. This has, at the very least, slowed a lot of your deals down. Success in real estate is all about giving the person you're working with enough information to make a decision. The key word here being enough. Enough. Not too much information. I guarantee all of you have killed real estate deals, apartment leases, people that you're working with. You've caused them to go, I need to think about it, because you're giving them way too much to think about. I remember I was touring a brand new luxury lease up in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I was working with the leasing consultant there. Somebody asked her, so what's the situation with the parking? She said, oh, well, the parking, it's a covered garage. We've got an RFID card. You go in, the gate opens. Now, on the spaces, some of them are a little bit narrow. Some of them are wider. It depends on when you get in there on the spacing. And then also, where you park the car as opposed to the elevator. She went on for like 10 minutes talking about the parking garage. You know what the person said? Oh, my cars are really important to me. Parking's really important to me. You've given me a lot to think about. Let me get back to you. The next person that came in, they asked the very same question. I stepped in and answered it for them. Hey, how's the parking situation? The parking situation's great. And that's it. Don't say anything else. It's great. If they have specific questions, they'll ask you. Success in real estate a lot of the time is just about giving them enough information. Stop talking for 20 minutes about the texture of the countertops when all they wanted to hear, they're great, they're spacious, the lighting is great, and move on. Focus on what's important to the person in front of you and not trying to prove to them how much you know about the property you're showing them. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Leasing University, the #1 sales training in real estate, the #1 sales training in multifamily. Consider following this channel for more tips on how to get leases and how to enjoy your life. I'll see you soon.
The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be #1. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense. Even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.